Hey friends, if you encounter the error fail to read description, error code 2 for background services in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's what you need to do. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Now go to the key I mentioned. Go to HKey local machine system current control set control MUI. So here's the thing, in the right pane, we need to create an entry named string cache settings. Okay. So I'll copy this, right click in the open space, new div 32-bit value, I'll name it. And the value should be 38B. So I will name it 38B. And the base will be hexadecimal. Hexadecimal is the default base. You don't need to change it. Click on OK. That's it. Restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.